So, why do we say fall is for planting? Well, first and foremost, weather's beautiful at this time of the year in Michigan. September and October, the combination of the beautiful colors and the beautiful weather makes it a perfect time to be out in your yard and garden. But you know what? The plants love it too. That's right, the plants love it, and there's two primary reasons. Number one, as the air temperatures cool down, the soil stays nice and warm. After summer, the soil is warm, and when you put a plant in the ground or divide or move a plant with that warm soil, the roots are going to find their way into establishing into that nice warm soil. Now, in addition to that, cooler air temperatures again with warm soil, what's the plant going to do? The plant is going to focus on root establishment as opposed to top growth like it does in spring and summer, like we want it to do in spring and summer. But in fall, we want to establish plants for next year and give them a good footing. That's why fall is for planting. Warm soil, root establishment, less concentration on top growth, and an investment in the future. It's why we say fall is for planting.